What's up guys, it's Leo here from LUCARI and we are on day 2 and it's just after lunch. So thought I'd do a quick check-in video. We've had some really fantastic conversations with customers today and some potential customers actually. And one big thing I wanted to just quickly show you was the Stinger head unit here. It's a 10-inch display system that we have here at LUCARI. We stock it on our website, so please do check us out. It actually redirects the 2 centre vents here on the TDCi dash into these left and right side here. What it also does is offers Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The buttons you'll notice actually have been relocated just towards the bottom of the screen as well. It's all part of the kit. It takes about 4 to 5 hours to install into your TDCi Defender with this kit, but we can also do that at LUCARI. Please inquire with us on the website, give us a phone call and we'd love to run you through how much and how long it will take us to get a Stinger head unit into your classic Defender. That's LUCARI lunchtime walk around all sorted. We'll see you later when we pack up. See you later.